Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In one of our videos we have made phone stand, but unfortunately our child broke it, so we decided to make better and stronger design. So let's jump in Fusion 360 and make it. Now when we're ready with our design, let's print it out. Now let's remove the brim and test it out. Here is our phone stand. Here is our phone. Looks like one whole piece with the phone. Beautiful design at the back. Stand pretty still and holds pretty good. You can download this model on Thingiverse absolutely free. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a great print. So let's jump into 360. We can download. Okay. Now when we're ready. Now